arts appreciation. The study of the humanities. The study of humanities and the elements of arts. The cultural appreciation and the arts of the Muslim Mindanao.
Humanities are academic fields that explore the human condition of an analytical, critical, and speculative methods.
Elements of arts. Shape. Shapes are formed when lines enclose a space. Shape can be either geometric, precise, and regular, or organic, irregular, and free-flowing.
Cultural appropriation. Fashion, wearing traditional clothing or accessories from another culture without understanding their significance.
Arts in Muslim Mindanao. The malang is traditional tube skirt made of the Hanover or a machine-made the multi-clouded cotton cloth. Arts appreciation.